UC Santa Barbara. Attention.
Let's go invert it.
Okay.
Right. Quick. Let's breathe. Lengthen. Long now. Press away. Press away. Set up. Composure 40. There you go. Set up here. Breathe now. Breathe now. Sitting up. Long in the water. Now. Now. There you go, boys. We're 40. We are shifting into. Ready? That's one. On this one. Long. Quick. Long. Quick. Breathe. Shut. Breathe. Shut. Alright, boys. It's time to lengthen out on this one. Long. Quick. Breathe. Flat. Bleed. Fret. Alright, boys. A race pace here. Sitting up here now. Breathing. Breathing. Yeah, boys. Coming up on the 250 mark here. Level hands now. Level hands now. Alright, boys. First 1,000 meters. Remember what the plan is. Focus on ourselves. Focus on finishes. Yeah, boys. Connecting long. Catch long. Breathe. Breathe. Sitting up here, boys. Sitting up level. Level. Alright, boys. Santa Barbara has just 2 seats on them. Just like Newport Regatta, boys. This is it. We're in control here. Let's get some spacing. Ready? That's one. Spacing on this one. Long. Quick. Long. Quick. Level hands. Now. Level. Quick. Level. Yeah, boys. Good. Sit on it. Step on it. We're coming up on the 5-minute mark. 500 meter, boys. Let's sit up. Let's take a focus 5 through this. Ready on swinging. On this one. Let's get swing. Swing. We are sitting up. We're gonna get on them. There you go. 1.5 seats now, boys. Slowly but surely. Every single stroke. Through the 500 meter point, boys. Sitting up. Breathe away. Breathe away. Long. Breathing. Quick. Yeah, Aiden. Quick. Yeah, boys. Do it for Kobe. Do it for Matt, boys. Now breathe. Now breathe. 2 seats. Sitting up level, boys. Finishes now. Finish now. Catch down and away. Catch down and away. Let's breathe. We are sitting up here. Quicken. Quicken. We are coming up on the 750 mark. Breathing here. Breathing here. Alright, boys. They are making a move. Let's respond with focus. Now. Now. Yeah, boys. Sit up. Give me quality now. Quality now. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Alright, boys. Off the seats for 5 on this one. Connected. Connected. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Good. The water's bumpy. The body bumpy for them too now. Let's sit up. Make them work for it. Make them work for it, boys. Quicken. Quicken. Yeah, boys. We're on rate here. Breathing here. Breathing here. Oh, boys, they're half a length on us. Give me something here. Quick. Down and away. Quick. Down and away. Yeah, boys. Halfway done. Sit up. Oh, boys. Remember the plan here. Third 500. This is where we get them. Focus. Now, Aiden. Yeah, boys. Yeah, Miles. Alright, Tanush and Vinny, this is all your race. Quick now. Quick now. There you go. Third 500 now. Set up. Breathe. Breathe. Alright, boys. Finishing now. Quick now. They are tired, boys. They're missing their catches again. Alright, boys. This is it. Let's make a move here. Give me off the catch. 410. Ready? This one. Off. Down and away. Catch. Down and away. Push. 3. Push. 4. Long 5. Long 6. Move it, boys. Pressing 7. Pressing 8. Long. Long 10. Getting ready. Get it back. Now. Now. Yeah, boys. Last 750 here. Sitting up. Sitting up. We're overlapping decks. Alright boys, let's get it back now. Let's sit up. Get on now. Yeah, Vinny. Yeah, Miles. Sit up. Give me full focus. We're coming up on the tens. They're cheering for us. Aiden, do for your mom now. For mom. Pushing. Pushing. Let's move this boat, boys. Move this boat. Oh, but they're in the jumping range. We're coming up on the 500 meter mark. We're at 34. Let's go up a beat. Ready on this one. Send. Quick. Send. Quick. Send. Let's get this, boys. Let's get this. Coming up on the last 500. This one. Long. Quick. Long. Quick. Long. Pressing, boys. Pressing it. Pressing it. Let's sit up. Pushing. Oh yeah, boys, last 250 coming up in two. That's one. On this one, send. Quick, send. Quick, send. Set up, boys. Bring it up now. Send. Quick, send. Press away. Press away. Pushing. Pushing. Finish it, boys. Last 100 meters. Hard away. Hard away. Sit up here, boys. Move away. Move away. Breathe. Breathe. Till the finish. Finish. Moving. Moving paddle. One more. Way enough.